Alrighty, welcome back everyone to High Sea Slots with Brian. Today we are on Royal Caribbean's Utopia the Seas, and we are on deck 12, room 656, which is a balcony ocean view room. Let's go ahead and give you the tour. It's conveniently located real close to the elevators. So again, that's deck 12, 656. Here we go. Okay. Upon walking in, you got to the left here a nice full length mirror, and then to the right, something that the newer ships do have is the main power switch. So your room attendants 9 times out of 10 will put this card in here. If you remove the card, what's going to happen is in a few minutes the lights are going to go off, everything's going to be shut off. Yep, there we go, sure did. And that also shuts off the air, FYI. You keep this in there, that's your main power switch. You can still turn the power off on here, but if you want your air to continue going, make sure you keep something in there. So anyway, continue walking on in. To the right here, we have the restroom. Standard stateroom. Sorry, we've already been living in here. The restrooms do come with a 3-in-1. It's shampoo, conditioner, hair and body wash. So nice to have, but if you are needing something specific or you like certain products for your hair, please bring your own. Also, some people don't realize, but they do have a retractable clothesline, so you can come out. If I can, I'm a little short. So if you need to hang your clothes, you don't want to hang them up on the balcony, it's a great option right there. And just always watch your step down. When we come on in, you got a nice vanity over to the left. And on the first day on the desk, you'll have all of your information. They give you stuff from casino, everything, all the entertainment options going on here, and of course Crown and Anchor information. So behind we have the sofa, which is nice. So this room will sleep 3 people. They will convert the sofa into a bed in the evening for you if you'd like. And then you've got a nice closet. Plenty of storage here. And you also have the mini fridge, which, as stated before, these are actually coolers. So don't put anything in there that could spoil. Tons there. And then back here you have another closet just like the other, except for below you do have 2 pull-out drawers. And something else that is in this closet is a safe. So this one you have the shelving and then a smaller hanging area. And then in every stateroom you can have the beds divided. As you can see, the beds are divided here. It does not give you a lot of space in between, but they are divided. So then you can see up here the lamps, the nightstands. The lamps have one, I think it's just one port, yeah, that you can plug in your devices. And this lamp does as well, but I'm seeing if this, okay, these phones do not have the USB. The older ships, the phones have a USB port on them, but they do not on here. So, and then by your bedside, you can also control the lights. Sorry about that. I think there's, yep. So, and then like I had stated before, you have the balcony. Our son is out here, so sorry. But a decent sized balcony with 2 chairs, and they do have the footstools underneath. So here's our view as we're leaving Coco Cay. And then one last look into the room. Again, this is room 12656 on Utopia of the Seas. If you like what you saw, like and subscribe. And until our next adventure, bye-bye.